That ass.
Okay, so right now, I think I owe you guys a little bit of an apology because I haven't uploaded a video in nearly a month. And there's good reason for that. That reason being that my GoPro has just been putting out the worst video I think I've ever seen in my life. And half the time, the video doesn't even have audio. And then the other reason being that I've been saving up some money so that I could get this camera for you guys. If you couldn't tell already, the quality on this camera is just... ooh. It is just spicy, okay? And I'm super excited that I finally have a camera like this because I can finally make content that I'm actually proud of and I want to showcase for you guys, because recently it's kind of been like the content of the video was okay, I thought, but the quality was just terrible and the audio was bad and the video was just kind of all over the place and it just looked unprofessional. Look at that detail. This camera makes me look like I need a shower. Probably do. But anyway guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this common problem with the 2005 to 2009 Mustang GT. And that is this super annoying door panel leather stuff. Now this is a super common thing on these Mustangs. They tend to just kind of fall down. And a lot of times what people do is they actually replace them with a plastic cover. And that works. But me personally, I actually like the design on this, this little bit of leather here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to re-glue this to the door panel and hopefully restore it a little bit. I'm also going to redo this side because this, as you can tell, is starting to come off of here, and I want it to just be nice and crisp and really mounted on there good. But to do this I need to go to the auto parts store, so let's get a move on. This thing sounds so awesome, but I feel like the people around me just hate the thing because it is quite loud. Alright, so I just got to the auto parts store, so I'm gonna go in and get the adhesive that I need and then I'll be right back. Okay, so there were a bunch of different options for spray adhesives. The one I went with was just the Gorilla Glue, not for any particular reason, just because I like gorillas, I guess. But also, I'm sure that they all work fine, just as long as you get a good spray adhesive, because you want to be able to cover the whole area. Okay, so unfortunately the battery on this camera died, and the batteries that I bought for spare batteries haven't come in the mail yet. So luckily I do have the new iPhone 11, so I guess we'll just use that for this install. If you're not following Thomas on Instagram, be sure to check him out. He has an account called Video by Apex, and he also has a YouTube channel, and he's working on like doing a lot of videography content as well as photography. So if you live in the Corvallis area or even in the Portland area, make sure to hit him up because he makes awesome content. He's made some cool videos for me, and I'll include that down at the end of this video. So if you want to check that out, be sure to do that. Okay, so before I start this install, I'm going to just put a towel over this to just try to not get any overspray on the plastic. I should have got some masking tape or something in hindsight, but luckily this has the controlled spray nozzle, so I think if I'm careful I shouldn't get any overspray on the plastic. So my install was almost perfect. I should have put a little bit more glue right in here, but with how good the rest of it came out, I'm honestly just not too concerned about that one little spot. But yeah, if you really wanted it to be perfect, you could really get it on there super well. It's also kind of cold out here, so spray adhesive just tends to not do as well, I noticed, in the cold. If it was California, I'd be California dreaming right now. So before I wrap up this video, I just want to give another thank you to my friend Tommy over at Apex Productions. He did a super awesome job with the clip that you guys would have just seen, and he also made another one for me that I haven't put in the video, but I uploaded it to Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to head over there and follow me at Kaidan Odom. It just means a lot to me, and it's a way that you can see more of what I'm doing. I've been posting a lot more car content on there, just more pictures of the car and different things like that. So if you want to get some more insight into what I'm doing or maybe future plans for videos, be sure to follow me on Instagram. And make sure you follow Apex Productions as well. I just want to give another apology for not uploading for so long. I have a bunch of plans for videos, but it was pretty much impossible for me to record stuff with my old camera. But thankfully I have this new setup, which is working super nice. And for all the fans that come through and watch all the way to the end of each of my videos, you guys mean the world to me. And so I want to pay it back to you by giving you guys a little sneak peek for the next video. This is a mod that I've been searching for over a year now, and I wasn't able to find one until just a couple weeks ago because I saw a couple of these on eBay, so I went ahead and swooped it up while it was available because there were only a few left. Oh geez, okay. Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, give me some more ideas of what you guys want to see me do to this car, because I'm honestly open to anything. Also consider subscribing to the channel because that means a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.